Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the MVST Select TREVA Aluminum Luggage Collection. Now you can pick these up online. I'll throw the links up in the description. The price on this one, $400. Now I'm getting ready to catch a flight in a few hours, so we're going to do a quick unboxing, and then the rest of this video is going to be real world testing. Alright, so this is the Aluminum Luggage Collection, or as we say in America, aluminum. Now, like I said, it's going to be $400. It comes in 6 different colors. So you got silver, gunmetal, black, champagne, army green, and of course my favorite, red. Now it comes in 3 different sizes. So you got carry-on, medium, or large. Let's go through the features. The most dent-resistant aluminum alloy shell, reinforced corners, zipperless closure, upgraded TSA approval combination locks, ultra smooth river tri-bearing wheels, slow release handles, interior pocketed panel, antimicrobial fabric, and the aluminum telescoping handle. All of that for $400. All right, so here we go. The TREVA Aluminum Luggage Collection. Now, of course, I went with the red, and this is what it looks like. This is the back. All aluminum hinges. Kind of looks like carbon fiber a little bit. This is going to be your handle. Okay. Official size handle. Like I said, I'm going to give y'all some real world testing, but I just want y'all to see what it looks like real quick in the house. These are your combination locks. Handle in the front. On the bottom, nice looking wheels. Looks like official tissue. Now the wheels do have a nice roll to them. Okay, so that should be fun walking through the airport. Let's go ahead and open it up. All right, so let's go ahead and open it up. Just like that. Here's how it looks on the inside. Now you do have a zipper pocket right here. Okay, and this does lock into the top. Just like that. Got another zipper pocket. And some more storage. And it does come with a little plastic bag. Simple and straightforward. Now, like I said, I'm getting ready to catch a flight, so I'm going to go ahead and pack. And the rest of this video is going to be real world testing. All right, here we go. All right, so here's how the bag looks. Now I will say this, the wheels are incredible. This is walking on the sidewalk. Nice roll.
Go back over there, we got this.
I'm barely pushing it. This is walking on the sidewalk.
Go back over there, we got this.
Okay, so let me give you my experience with this so far. The best thing about this bag is the wheels. Look at this. This makes walking through the airport so much easier. Look at this. Wheels are almost too good, but I ain't complaining. And again, my favorite thing about this suitcase, the wheels. Even on carpet, look how smooth it rolls. All right, now this is the hard part right here. Going uphill on a carpeted floor. And look at those wheels. No effort from me. I could just push the bag and it keeps going. I don't know if I mentioned this yet, but the wheels, okay? The wheels are the best part. Now I got a long hike ahead of me. This makes it so much easier. All right, so I just got to my Airbnb. Nice little spot right here. So let's see what we actually packed. Get the little switches. Hold on, I need 2 hands for this. Okay, and here it is. Okay, so in one side, we got some sneakers, bunch of cables, all of the toiletries. Now I'm only staying for 2 days, but I like to be prepared. Okay, bunch of cables, glasses, all that good stuff. On this side, get these little locks. And we got all the clothes. T-shirts, underwear, socks, and a bunch of jeans. Like I said, the best thing about this bag so far is the wheels. If you ever traveled with a bag that had bad wheels, you understand what I'm talking about? The wheels on this bag, everything. Now I'm gonna keep stressing this, the wheels. Okay, this bag, not only is it about the aluminum build, the wheels. It feels like I'm pushing nothing. Watch this, look. Look at those wheels. This is how you want to travel. Now I'm stressing it, the wheels. Okay, this bag, not only is it about the aluminum build, the wheels. Excuse me. All right. After you.
Have a great day.
All right, thank you. Have a good day.
Hey, have a great one.
All right, thank you.
Thanks again. Really enjoyed it. We'll see you soon, okay?
All right, so I just got back from my trip, so let's kind of wrap this video up. Overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving the MVST Select TREVA aluminum suitcase a major go. This is easily the best suitcase that I've used yet. Now let me say this. Take it from me, I'm somebody who travels at least twice a month. There's 2 things that will ruin your trip. Number 1, a bag that has a bad zipper, and a bag that has bad wheels. Now I'm speaking from experience. You ever try to pack your bag and you overpack and you gotta sit on your bag and try to zip it around? You got so much clothes and so much junk in your bag. You sat on it and you're trying to zip it all the way around and something gets caught in that zipper. That is gonna ruin your trip. With this bag, let me show you. You see those clips? All you gotta do is sit down on those 2 areas of the bag and it clips right into place. That is a game changer. And the second best thing about this bag, now I've been raving about this, the wheels. Bad wheels will ruin your trip. Now, if you ever flew into LaGuardia Airport, I don't know who designed that airport, but a lot of the airport is carpet. If you got bad wheels and you gotta lug a heavy bag, okay, on carpeted surfaces, that is gonna kill your trip. It's gonna kill your vibe. The wheels on this bag, okay, now I got a lot of luggage. The wheels on this bag, it's just unbelievable. This made my trip so much easier. Now, if y'all can tell by my voice, I'm a little under the weather. I was in Florida. That humidity always kills me out there. So I'm already in a bad mood. But I got the wheels on this bag. I'm sweating, okay, from that humidity. But the bag is basically pulling itself. This bag right here is worth every single penny. Anyway, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this. But again, the MVST Select TREVA Aluminum Suitcase, triple major go. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this one. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. A special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know. Stream gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I'll see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing, I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes. Pitch and roll. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock won the beam up. Energize.
Hey guys, Jerry Springer here. Subscribe to Flossy Carter for the real reviews. He has a tech channel on YouTube, and he already has over 2 million subscribers, so give him a look. You may like it, and it could be very useful. Take care of yourself and each other.